Okay guys, so here's the deal. This 99 Durango with the 5.9. So what we're doing today is so basically I did a transmission swap on this thing. And this is the one that came out. So you guys know right here is where the crank sensor goes, right? And so when I was installing, I damaged the old crank sensor. So this thing was basically wedged in between there, mangled. I had a hell of a time getting it out, but anyway, I got it out and purchased a new one. Now, when I said I had a hell of a time getting it out, I didn't mean like removing these two bolts or getting access to them, because I meant this thing was actually stuck in the transmission, kind of like down in there like this. It was wedged in there. And so I thought I was gonna have to unbolt the transmission again and get it out, but I did a little bit of maneuvering and was able to pop it out of there. So basically, I'm gonna make this video show you guys how to put these things in. It's not as hard as what people saying. You don't have to remove your inner fender well. You know, do a bunch of stuff, man. Basically, what I removed was I make sure I got this loose right here, which is this one bolt right here. So you take that bolt out of there. This will, you know, free this transmission dipstick tube up so you can move it around and can get back there. And basically you just need an extension 1/2-inch socket for these two guys. So let me go ahead and get everything set up, and I'll show you guys the angles and stuff like that, how I got this thing out and putting it back in. Give me a sec. Okay guys, so I basically got the sensor down in there, and I just want to show you guys the angle of the where you want to put the socket and the extension. Okay, not sure how much I can capture with this thing here, but let's see. So okay, so here's your distributor. Okay, you want to get your hands, you want to lift this wire harness up, get your hands down in this space right here, this void right there. That's perfect. You put your hands down in there, okay? And coming on this side, let me see. I'm sorry guys, this the angle isn't okay. So as you can see, right there is a socket, right? And it's facing directly underneath this this unit right here. It might be the power steering unit, whatever it is, okay? And it comes out at an angle, so you could put your ratchet right on it and then just get in here and tighten it up, just like that. It just slipped off, but it's not, that's the angle. You can just get it right back on. Oops, my extension fell. But let me get it set back up, guys, real quick. Okay guys, so it comes out in this angle right here. That's your manifold right there. So it goes directly behind it, and then you could just work your ratchet right here. This is the short extension, like I think it's a 6-inch extension, and I have a deep 1/2-inch drive socket on it. And just like that, guys, we've got that crank sensor on there. Now all we have to do is put this one bolt right here back on this dipstick tube to hold it in place, and we're all good to go. So what you want to do is up here where the plug is, you want to plug it in first and then drop the sensor down back there and route it. Okay, so you want to plug it in first and then drop the sensor down. So before you pull out the old one, you watch exactly where it was routed and follow that same path. okay? So you plug it in up here, and then you drop the sensor down in the back. If not, it'll be a bitch to plug it in after if you install the sensor first. I'm not saying it can't be done, but it's be a little bit more, you know, a little extra headache, okay? So you plug it in first, drop it down, route it, and that's the combination I use right there. And do everything. You don't have to take out your inner well and none of that stuff. So what I did was just remove the breather and the dipstick tube, and the box. Okay, and I put a cardboard right up there and lay on this cardboard like this. I got both my hands down in there. My left hand went in this way, and my right hand went directly behind on the side of the distributor right here, down in the back. So you're basically working with both hands. So you know it's not bad, guys. You know, I mean, I've seen a lot of videos where the guys are making it seem as though this is like the, you know, worst job in the world or whatever, and they're taking apart a whole bunch of stuff, and you really don't have to, man. I hope this video helped you guys save some time and some headaches and removing a whole bunch of stuff, you know. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you like, subscribe, comment, let me know if there's a better way to do this, an easier way. I'm always open to getting new ideas and tips. So I hope this helps, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks again.